Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to import custom font in CapCut for iOS. So just going to browser and go to the font.com and then just select font you like here. This many font available here. For instance, I'm going to select this watermelon. Just tap on download, and just click download and select that's downloaded. So here's just hold and click share and select CapCut. Import widget to CapCut and we'll direct to CapCut, go back and then tap on the font. So another folder here and then just going to add the text. Select change the text and then go to font, press and add icon and then select that font downloaded. So here you go. So the font has been added. Okay, that's how to import custom font in CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.